Struggling with slow, complicated business banking? Are you tired of bank admin eating into the time you should be spending growing your business? If you're nodding your head, you're definitely not alone. For too long, small and medium-sized businesses have been stuck with legacy banks, systems built for the last century, not the speed of today's entrepreneur. But the playing field has changed. Digital-first financial platforms are reshaping business finance, and one name stands out for giving you a real competitive edge: Tide. Think about what truly slows you down with a traditional bank: lengthy branch visits, paperwork for every small change, and that painful, manual reconciliation at tax time. These inefficiencies aren't just annoying, they are a direct drag on your profitability and a competitive disadvantage in a fast-moving market. This is where Tide steps in. It's not just a business account, it's an integrated financial toolkit designed specifically for SMEs and freelancers. First, speed and simplicity. Opening a business account with a legacy bank can take weeks. With Tide, you're often up and running in minutes, all from your phone. That immediate access is a huge advantage when you're launching or scaling fast. Second, the power of automation. This is the real game changer. Tide automatically categorizes your income and expenses. It's got built-in invoicing that lets you create, send, and track payments instantly, even adding payment links to get you paid faster. You can connect it seamlessly with accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks, turning hours of monthly bookkeeping into a few clicks. This level of financial admin automation frees up crucial time and reduces costly errors, allowing you to focus purely on your core business. Third, control and scalability. Need to manage team spending? Tide offers expense cards you can issue, limit, and track right from the app. You maintain full control, gain real-time insight into company spend, and your team doesn't have to use personal cards. As your business grows, Tide's plans offer enhanced features like unlimited free transfers and priority support, easily adapting without the friction of a major bank migration. The competitive edge here is clear: time, efficiency, and insight. While your competitors are battling archaic bank systems, you're leveraging smart, integrated tools that save you money, simplify compliance, and give you a crystal clear view of your cash flow. In business, being faster, leaner, and more informed is the ultimate advantage. Tide provides the platform to achieve exactly that. It's time to stop letting your bank hold you back and start using your financial platform as a tool for growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.